Okay, so learning how to cut and join audio in Audacity. So let's jump right in this video. Subscribe for more tutorials and like this video if you find this helpful. First, what I'm going to do here in a file, in a edit, we have here select, and then here just click on all. Or also you can use the shortcut command plus A or control plus A to select all of your videos, all your audios or all the tracks. And then now what you're gonna have to do is to go to tracks, and then here make sure you also clicked on all here, and then you go to tracks, align, and then here you click on select align end to end. And then here we have to go back to tracks, mix, and then here we have mix and render. And this is the result. Now we mixed all the tracks here, as you can see. Now if you want to cut, if you move this cursor and then you right click, you have here split clip or command plus I. Usually I use just use the cursor to select where I want, and then command plus I. It's super easy and really effective. So I hope you found this short tutorial helpful, saves you time, you'll learn something new Audacity. That was my goal with this video. You learn something in a short amount of time. Like this video, subscribe, and take care.